In this video, I will show you how to join ShineOn seller community. First, log into your ShineOn account like you normally would. Once you're in, open a new tab on your browser and type ShineOn seller community in the search bar. At the top of the results, you will see the official page for the community. Go ahead and click on that. From there, you can simply sign in with your account details. After signing in, look for the option to submit a request to join. Just fill it out, and once it's approved, you'll officially be part of the ShineOn seller community. And here's another way to stay connected. You can also join their official Facebook group. It's a great place to interact with other sellers, share ideas, and stay updated with ShineOn news and tips. So whether you join through the main community site or on Facebook, you will be able to connect, learn, and grow with other ShineOn sellers. And that's how to join ShineOn seller community.